Hey there, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the 4 mistakes that people do in affiliate marketing and how to avoid them. All right, we're back. My name is Josh. If you have not been here before, I'm an author, I'm a father, I'm a husband, and I love barbecue. But what I talk about on my channel is more centered around email marketing, automation, and specifically geared towards affiliate marketers. And so you're going to hear me talk about affiliate marketing here and there as well. And I'm going to talk about mistakes to avoid in affiliate marketing. So the first mistake that people make is not picking one traffic source. Now, in affiliate marketing, there's so many ways that you can build your business, so many opportunities to do those things. And what I will tell you is that when you're not picking one source of traffic, you're actually hurting yourself more than anything. So social or search, right? So social being like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, search being like YouTube, Google, Pinterest. Now, I recommend picking one of those, not both of them, because you're going to find out that if you do both of them at the same time, then you're going to run into some problems. But I have a little trick for you, right? So, once you master a platform, the sky's the limit. And TikTok is huge right now, and YouTube is a great platform. So what you could do is, let's say you want to repurpose your content. So maybe you want to do social because you want the virality of having social content. You could start on TikTok, and then you could push people over to your YouTube channel and let them know, hey, I've got a YouTube channel. You can go there. You can subscribe. I've had some good luck with that myself. And you can repurpose some of that content that you do on TikTok into YouTube Shorts. Now, that doesn't mean you want to do equal amount of work in both. You want to focus one thing in one and one thing in the other. So for me, TikTok is quick fire content. YouTube is more in-depth discussions about what I'm doing. But what I will say is pick one platform. If you're not sure, that's fine. You can, check them all out, see which one drives with you best. But pick one platform, buy courses, watch videos, do trainings, learn the platform as best you can and master it before you move on to another one. And the quote I will say is, the man who chases many rabbits catches none. I think Confucius said that. And it's true, right? You got to pick one thing so you can catch that rabbit and then move on to the next rabbit.
Okay.
So the second mistake that people make in affiliate marketing is not picking one program to start with. I see it so many times. People go, there's affiliate programs out there all over the place, and people go to places like Digistore and JVZoo and ClickBank and Warrior Plus and all of these places, and they go get a bunch of these affiliate links and they start just spamming them all over the place. That's not going to help, because now people have no idea what you're selling. They have no idea what you're promoting. They have no idea what your brand is because you promoted a health product on Monday and a digital affiliate marketing training on Tuesday. And then you promoted a video course on Wednesday. And then you promoted a yoga course on Thursday. Like, nobody knows what you're up to. They're not going to trust you. They're just going to think you're a spammer. So don't get stuck in shiny object syndrome. Master one program, know everything you can about it, make some money from it, show your results. And once you're able to master that, and that kind of turns into a revolving door for you where that's just basically automatically bringing you in income, then you can do it over and over and over with the next programs that come out.
Wow.
So the third mistake that people make is they're not niching down. They're being too broad, right? So we know, if you've been in the affiliate marketing world for any amount of time, there's 3 main niches in the online marketing, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, whatever you want to call it, is you have health, wealth, and relationships. So for me, I'm talking about mostly like email marketing, automation, affiliate marketing, things like that, right? So I take it level by level. So I'm in the wealth niche, okay? So that's here. And then it's make money online. Yes, that is a sub niche of wealth. Then it's affiliate marketing, email marketing, automation. That's my niche flow right there. I don't leave that flow. You'll notice my YouTube channel. I talk about making money online. I talk about affiliate marketing. I talk about email marketing. I talk about automation. You don't see me talking about health products. I do talk about mindset every now and then, but that goes along with what I'm talking about. I'm talking about getting leads. I'm talking about making sales. It's all in that make money online niche. But you got to niche down and find a place that you can be the person for that thing. So for me, email marketing and automation, that's where I sit a lot of the time. And I'm getting great responses from that. So once you start building up an audience, that's maybe a little small and so focused, then you can put a sale out that's like 10 to 20% of your audience. And then you can be that guy for that niche. And people know you're like, hey, if you want great email marketing, go to Josh. You want great affiliate marketing, go to Spencer. You want to know everything there is about being a ClickFunnels affiliate. Spencer Meekum's your guy. Like, that dude knows everything about ClickFunnels and being a top affiliate. I mean, shoot, he did $1 million in just being a ClickFunnels affiliate. It's crazy. So the fourth way that people are making big mistakes in affiliate marketing is neglecting your email list. Your list is the most powerful tool that you own. It is the only traffic source that you own, and you need to be building that list. I did another video that is talking about building your list, how to grow your email list. So I would highly recommend checking that out. I've got that up right here as well. And make sure you're capturing emails everywhere you can. Everything you do should have a capture page behind it. You need to build that list. You need to build that brand and make sure you email that list consistently. Now, quick bonus tip for emailing your list. I recommend at least once a month. Okay. You want your list to know who you are. Make sure they're constantly seeing you. For most online marketers, at least once a week would be ideal. But I email people 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. I've decided to leave the weekends off because I don't want to wake up early and write emails on a weekend. And when I batch emails on a weekend, sometimes something happens and I want to change it. So I just decided Monday through Friday is a great way to do it. I'm not blasting people when they're not looking at their emails anyways. And I had an increase in open rates by doing it that way. So, and I had some feedback. People said they liked that fact. So quick tip, online marketing, at least once a week, up to 5 days a week. It's great. It's fine. Otherwise, you can do once a month if you don't want to send out a lot of emails, but make sure you're emailing your list. So quick thing here, I'm going to talk about the biggest way to avoid all of these mistakes is to find a program that literally teaches all this stuff. And what I'm talking about is the Home Business Academy. And that is something that I am passionate about. Sure, you can go look it up, but I will tell you that the link down below that talks about my number one way to earn income online is through that company. Those guys are amazing. They care about their people. I mean, shoot, they give away 80% commissions, and after the 80% commissions, they still give more money away to the Feed My Starving Children Foundation. I mean, who does that? You give away 80% of your profits and give more away to charity. So it just goes to show what kind of guys they are. I believe in them. And for anybody who signs up through my link down below, what you're going to get is I'm going to be mentoring about 15 people, 10 to 15, one-on-one on how to build their affiliate business online. Now, once I get to that number, I'll probably stop doing adding people to one-on-one mentoring, but I'm still going to help you. I also have a private group that I do teach people in, give them so much more value, mindset and strategies and live training and all that kind of stuff that's in there on top of everything you're already getting with the program as it is. So super exciting. I'd love to see you in there. Let me know in the comments if this was valuable for you. If you loved this information, smash that like button, click subscribe, ding that notification bell. Make sure you're getting notified when I'm putting out new content. And I put out content, try to do once or twice a week. So stick around, make sure you're catching that stuff, and I'll see you on the next video.